Hi, this is Sahana. I'm starting C Sharp tutorial which will cover the basic as well as the advanced topics. In today's video, we will have an overview of C Sharp. So, what is C Sharp? C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. Let's dig a little deeper and know what is programming language. There are two types of computer languages. One is low-level language and the other one is high-level language. Low-level languages. These are the languages which machine can understand easily and they interact with the hardware of the computer. The second category is high-level languages. Some of the language features are instructions are easy to read and understand because we write the instructions in the form which human can understand easily. For example, it resembles something like the English language. But machines cannot understand this language because machines can understand only zeros and ones. That is the reason we use something called as compilers. These compilers convert the high-level language instructions into the language which machine can understand. We will know about these compilers in our coming session. Coming back to the programming languages, they belong to the category of high-level languages. Having understood this, now let us know what is object-oriented programming because C# follows this style of programming. There are various styles of programming. To name a few, we have procedural programming, logical programming, then functional programming, then object-oriented programming, and many others. Each of them has its own style to solve the problem. Then object-oriented programming, to be specific, this approach treats everything as object. Which object is something that contains the data and methods to work on that data. You will understand it better as you progress through this course. Coming back to C Sharp, let's have a look at the benefits offered by this language. The first important reason is you can build variety of applications. You can build desktop applications, mobile applications, web applications, gaming, cloud, and whatnot. Second important reason is you have a variety of developer tools. You can use Visual Studio as your IDE. If you are using Mac, then you have Visual Studio for Mac. Then if you want simple editor, then you have Visual Studio Code. When it comes to performance, it gives you the best performance because the applications provide better response time and they require very less time to compute. So this is one of the important reasons to consider this. Then a great community support. C# has large community of users. So whenever you are stuck with some problem, you can easily get solution for your problems. Throughout the course, I will be using Visual Studio 2019 community version. Apart from 2019, if you have some other version installed in your system, you can use that. Else you can visit the Microsoft official site and install the community version, which is free. Coming to prerequisites, it's good to have the basic knowledge of object-oriented programming. Even if you don't know anything about it, you need not worry. I will cover everything in this course. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.